red car rolls along the street. And to all the people that we meet, we like to say hello. Say hello to the people that we meet. In the back are Wags and Dorothy, Captain Feathersword and Henry. They like to say hello. Say hello to the people that they meet. We beep the horn on the big red car. We ride along and we travel far, 'cause there's lots of people we can meet in a big red car. The road we travel is a bumpy ride. You know there's not a lot of room inside as we sing our song as we ride along. We beep the horn on the big red car. We ride along and we travel far, 'cause there's lots of people we can meet in our big red car. Say hello, 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 big red car.